In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off your status on Slack step by step. This is really useful if you don't want others to see what you're currently doing, or if you just want to stay more private while working. Whether you're using Slack for work, school, or team collaboration, knowing how to control your status can help reduce distractions and manage expectations. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the Slack homepage and make sure you're logged in to your workspace. You can do this either in your web browser or in the Slack desktop app. Once Slack loads, you should see your channels on the left side and your workspace interface fully open. This is where all status changes will happen, so make sure you're signed into the correct workspace if you're part of more than one. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Slack window. Here you'll see your profile icon with your current status indicator next to it. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. This opens your profile menu, where Slack lets you manage your status, availability, and other personal settings. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Clear Status. Click on Clear Status to immediately remove any custom status message or emoji that you previously set. This is the fastest way to stop showing a specific activity or message to your teammates. Once you do this, your custom status text will no longer be visible to others in your workspace. Now, to fully turn off how active you appear, click on your profile icon again in the bottom left corner. This step is important because clearing your status alone does not always change your availability. Slack still shows whether you are active or away, so we're going to adjust that next. From the same profile menu, click on Set Yourself as Away. When you do this, Slack will mark you as away, letting others know you're not currently active. This effectively turns off your visible activity status and prevents people from assuming you're immediately available. It's especially useful when you're focusing, stepping away from your computer, or simply don't want interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully turned off your status on Slack by clearing your status message and setting yourself as away. This gives you more control over your visibility and helps you manage your time without unnecessary distractions. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.